talking
Go on.
louder. Now?
Mm-hmm.
Good? Because
Mhm.
it came out Christmas Day. Good?
It did? Okay.
Good job on that one, dude.
What about a bat?
It doesn't have a back.
Yeah, it does. It's got these little things.
Oh. It's to hang them on the window so you can see building the nest. Did you know that?
What trees are made of?
Sausage?
Sausage?
What are you doing, Bubba?
Making my birdhouse.
How old are you?
4.
Who are you making the birdhouse with?
Dad.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Where are y'all fixing to go do?
Go hunting.
What?
No. No, go ahead. Alright, hit this other one.
We have to put it on a window so Taz doesn't get it?
Maybe here.
Okay.